Hi guys, it's me Sam, and my dog does not like the Hoover. He's just shut up upstairs. As soon as he hears the Hoover, he's out. So yeah, sorry if you can't hear me that good guys, because the Hoover's on. Oh. There you go. Muttley or Mutts does not like the Hoover, do you? If you watch the video where he's getting his stump, that was really funny. He's getting his tail. No, the tail. He's getting his tail, guys. Where are you going? Oh God, he's going to go back down. He doesn't know where to go. Hear him up. Get your tail, get your stump. Uh-oh.